Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send Bitcoin from your Exodus wallet. First, open your Exodus application, whether on desktop or mobile, and navigate to your wallet. Then, select the Bitcoin asset from your list of cryptocurrencies. You will then tap the Send button, typically found on the left side of your wallet screen. Next, you will input the destination Bitcoin address and the specific amount you wish to transfer. Before proceeding, it is crucial to carefully review all transaction details. Double-check the recipient's Bitcoin address to ensure accuracy, as transactions are irreversible. Exodus automatically calculates the optimal network fee for your transfer, which varies based on current network congestion. Remember, the minimum amount of Bitcoin you can send is 546 satoshis, or 0.00000546 Bitcoin. Once you have verified all the information, you will see a confirmation screen. Take a moment to review everything one last time, including the address, amount, and network fee. To authorize the transfer, you will either slide the arrow to send or click the final Send button. After this, your Bitcoin transaction will be broadcast to the global Bitcoin network for processing and confirmation. After sending, you can track the status of your transaction directly within your Exodus wallet. While confirmation times can vary, Bitcoin transactions typically confirm within 10 to 30 minutes, depending on network activity. For ongoing security, always ensure your Exodus wallet is protected with strong, unique passwords, and consider enabling any available two-factor authentication features to safeguard your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.